Hi, Beanbeauties, welcome back. Remember that big old stack that I had? There's only one left. I don't know. Is this a COACHmas? Is this a CHAOSmas? Or is this a true miscellaneousmas? If you want to know, come back. I need it to be a coach because I want to open that Labubu. Alrighty, come on back. All right, it's getting close down to the wire. Getting close to Christmas, I'm sure, by the time these get edited and put out. So we can't dilly-dally. Y'all just need to come in, see what I'm unboxing, have record of it, do the advent calendars, and then we got to move on to the next one. I'm tired, y'all. It is 2 in the morning. I did give my video up for tomorrow up, but that's it. I'm behind. And I have a big project to do. So hopefully y'all are going to have something special on Christmas Day. But if not, well, it'll be true fashion of CHAOSmas, and it'll come out when it comes out. Okay. So let's see. What is this? Ooh, what is this? What did I get? Oh, good. I think, is it a swinger? It is, and it's a coach too. I can open that Labubu. Oh, yes, right? It's a swinger. I've never had this before. I've never had one. Yay, and this is beautiful black leather. And it is the glove tan leather. Genuine glove tan leather. Nice. I love that stamping down there. Tells you what it is. Open that up. Very cute. This is bigger than I thought it would be. Got it from It's Hadrian. Here is the strap. Oh, it's got a top handle too. Very cool. Here's what it looks like on the inside. I've been calling that chocolate brown, right? That's brown, like a brown. There is the Coach Creed. Very cute. Let's see how this all works together. Okay. So this can be it has a top handle or short shoulder bag rather. So let's lock it in here. Twist it. Ta-da. So I'm sure I'll have to use extenders if I want to put it on my shoulder. Yeah, because this is an armpit bag. But actually, y'all, not too bad. Not too bad. It actually don't feel too, I mean, it feels a little snug, but, wow. I might just need a little one, or I might even, yeah. Oh, it's so nice to lose some weight. Yay. Here is the crossbody bag, crossbody strap. She's the Lulu. Oh my gosh. So I need to hurry because I want to open that last Labubu. Labubu, Labubu. Na 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 na, Labubu.
Labubu. Labu labu, Labubu. Labubu. Labu labu, Labubu.
This leather feels really, really nice. So this is a swinger bag, which is part of the Coach retail line, in case you're not familiar with Coach. This is like their fancy leather. So when I get excited about the Dooney Altos, this is like that top line leather for Coach. Here is the crossbody. Let's look to see how it looks on me. Yeah, it fits good. So it comes down, plenty of room, not to bother the girls. Sometimes I'll wear things kind of slightly to the front. Sometimes I'll wear it, well, no, I have to usually wear it like right here, so like if I'm using my cane. If I'm not carrying it in the crook of the arm, which I could with this, or here. I love this. Very cool. Swinger bag. Swinger. Okay. Let's get the Labubu. Come back. Okay, y'all. Welcome back to Advent Calendar time. The AC's on. Hopefully it'll turn off in just a second, but I'm too tired to wait. Maybe y'all just bear with me. I'm going to see if I can do... The editor I use doesn't really edit that, or it doesn't edit it. I'm not really doesn't, it doesn't, but I'll see if I can find something that that maybe does. So in here, I've been using this tote. I got this one at the beginning of COACHmas, and it has one more Labubu. I have six. There's six total, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So could this be the last one, y'all? Let's see. Well, I'll have last one to make the, oh, there it stopped. The last one to make the collection. Let's see. Does she have them all? She, oh, okay. I just want to know, do I have them all? Oh, this one has the new packaging. Ta-da, it has a new packaging. Okay. All right. So I am trying to go for no, I have the popsicle. Oh, I need the green one. Let's see. Do I have the green one? Ooh, could I be so lucky? Why did I buy another orange one? I guess I could give it to somebody. I have twins. I still love you. I'm sorry. It's not your fault. I got 2 orange ones. Oh, so I didn't get a green one. We'll put it over here. Okay, womp womp. Womp womp. All right, I need to make sure that I don't have any more hiding somewhere. I don't know, even know what episode this is. Y'all will know through the thumbnail and when I put it up on the screen. Well, thank you so much. But I think that's the end of that of the Labubus. Is that the end of my coach? Of the coach COACHmas? I don't know. I don't know. Thank you very much for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining me for this whole series. Let me know how many you have seen COACHmases. Have you been following along with each individual series out of my big CHAOSmas extravaganza? Let me know. Thank you so much for being here. Love y'all. Bye-bye.